I really thought that I broke my YouTube account. My views didn't just dip, they kind of flattened. So the last 4 videos that I've made, the average view rate is like 12 views per video, and I try to make my videos better. This is not really what I had in mind. If you're a small creator watching this, you know that feeling in your gut. The cold realization may be that you did something wrong. Maybe you're shadow banned. Or maybe the algorithm has decided that it's done with you and your channel is not worth promoting. So for the last week I've been debating with myself whether I should delete my channel. It's tempting. Start fresh, clean slate, no bad data holding me back. People say that the algorithm labels your content, so if you're stuck at 10 views per videos, they might say your account is poisoned. So instead of actually deleting my account, I did a deep dive into trying to understand what happened, what I did wrong, and I looked at the data. So when you start over, you are not just deleting your videos, you are deleting all the data, all the things that the algorithm learned about you, and your views, your subscribers, and you pass from a broken map to actually no map at all. Starting a new channel is actually harder. You have 0 authority, 0 impressions, and 0 history. You aren't fixing the problem, you are just running away from the evidence and what the problem actually is, and you have no guarantee that you won't make the same mistakes again. So I've made my choice. I'm not starting over, I'm staying right here. The channel is broken, but broken things can be repaired, and instead of guessing, I'm going to turn this into a live case study for you. So over the next few weeks I'm going to perform a diagnostic of this account. I'm going to find the exact moment when the break happened, what I did wrong, and I'm going to try to fix it, step by step. If your views are down right now, don't panic. Maybe you did the same mistake than I did, or other mistakes. In the next video, I'm going to go through everything I did and try to understand my mistakes, and from there I'm going to elaborate a plan and step by step implement this plan to try to make this account healthy again. So if you want to follow this journey, make sure to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks for watching.